Embark on an enchanting journey into the world of humpback whales, where every detail tells a captivating tale. These majestic creatures, known for their distinct features, are easily recognizable by the distinctive hump atop their small dorsal fins, with backs ranging from dark gray to mesmerizing blue-black hues and bellies adorned in varying shades, from pristine white to intricately mottled patterns. Each humpback whale boasts a unique and awe-inspiring appearance. Standing as giants of the ocean, humpbacks can reach staggering lengths of up to 15 meters and weigh a colossal 30 tons, with females often surpassing their male counterparts in size. Their knobby heads, elongated flippers, and broad tail flukes contribute to their unmistakable silhouette, making them a sight to behold in the vast expanse of the sea. Witnessing a humpback breach or reveal its majestic tail during a dive is a spectacle cherished by whale watchers worldwide, evoking a sense of wonder and awe. Renowned for their graceful movements and playful antics, humpbacks captivate audiences with their unparalleled display of nature's beauty. This is one of my favorite animals in Colombia. The giant anteater, sometimes also called the ant bear, is a large mammal native to Central and South America. Its length is usually between 182 to 217 centimeter, 5.96 to 7.12 feet, and its weight is between 33 to 41 kilo, 73 to 90 pound. This amazing creature is recognized by its elongated snout, bushy tail, and long foreclaws. It feeds primarily on ants and termites, using its foreclaws to dig them up, and its long, sticky tongue to collect them. The best place in Colombia, and maybe even in the world, to spot these animals is the region of Casanare. Colombia is the #1 country in the world for bird watching. It doesn't just have the biggest variety of bird species worldwide, but some of the most amazing species are very easy to spot. This is the case of the band-tailed oripendula. This cute bird mainly lives close to forests. They are around 30 centimeters long, mainly of black color, with 3 long yellow tail feathers. Usually forages alone or in small flocks, looking for invertebrates and fruits. I know, this sounds like a normal, boring blackbird. However, this bird is quite special for 2 reasons. Its nests are architectural wonders. They are long, woven basket nests hanging from the end of a branch. They actually look like giant, woven tiers. The ability of these birds to use their beaks and legs to build such an elaborate nest is truly amazing. They can create a huge range of different songs and calls. They are very vocal and loud birds that can even imitate the sounds of other species. These amazing birds can be found in many parts of Colombia. Some of the best places to see them are the flatlands of Casanare, San Jose del Guaviare, the Cerros de Mavicure, or in the Amazon jungle. My favorite monkey is the cotton-top tamarin, not just because it's an endemic species you can only find in Colombia, but because they are super cute. They are one of the smallest primates in the world, weighing less than 0.5 kilo, 1.1 pounds, and can live up to 24 years old. It is easily recognized by the long, white, sagittal crest extending from its forehead to its shoulders. It's like if a lion decided to become a small monkey. They are found in tropical forest in northwestern Colombia. They eat insects and some plant exudates, and it is considered a very important dispersal of seeds. Besides being cute, these monkeys are believed to be one of the most advanced species. They display a wide variety of social behaviors and have been extensively studied for their high level of cooperative care and altruistic behaviors. Their communication is sophisticated and shows evidence of grammatical structure. The best place to spot these amazing monkeys is the Tayrona Natural Park. When you are walking the paths through the tropical forest to get to some of the gorgeous beaches of this park, keep your eyes opened and look for them in the branches of the surrounding trees. There are usually groups of them hanging around there. The pink dolphins, also known as the Amazon River dolphin, is a species of toothed whale classified in the family Inidae. It is the largest species of river dolphins in the world. An adult male can weigh up to 185 kilo and can be of up to 2.5 meters long. Adults get a pinkish color, which is more visible in males than in females. Younger dolphins are of grayish colors. Even though they are not as playful as the sea dolphins, seeing one of these gorgeous creatures in the wild is an unforgettable experience. There are several places in Colombia to have encounters with these dolphins. If you are interested in watching these dolphins, don't hesitate to include places like the Amazon jungle or the Cerros de Mavicure to your Colombia vacation package. In these places, you can easily spot them by taking a boat tour or just by sitting next to the riverbanks. The old mighty anaconda, the biggest of all snakes by weight and the second largest by length. Anacondas are muscular snakes that are thicker than other boas. They have thick necks and narrow but large heads. All anacondas have nostrils and eyes on the tops of their heads. This allows them to see above the water while remaining mostly submerged. Some of the longest anacondas ever found are around 8 meters long. They are most active in the early evening and at night. Their large size makes them bulky on land, but they can move quickly in the water. They are solitary snakes and, like all boas, are non-venomous. Anacondas are powerful constrictors, and young snakes can eat rodents, lizards, and fish, while adult snakes can eat caimans, capybaras, or even jaguars. The best place in Colombia, and maybe even in the world, to spot an anaconda is Casanare. Here, there are a few places where locals have built some specific paths where they know the chances of encountering an anaconda are higher. It is easier to spot them during the dry months of December to March. Also known as the green basilisk lizard, this amazing reptile is famous for being able to run on water. That is why they call it the Jesus Christ lizard. They spend much of their time in the trees and are never far from a body of water. When threatened, they can drop from a tree into the water and sprint upright about 5 feet per second across the surface. To achieve this, they have long toes on their back feet with borders of skin that expand in the water, increasing the surface area. As they quickly shake their legs, they slap their splayed feet hard against the water, creating a tiny air pocket that keeps them from sinking as long as they keep running. The best place in Colombia to spot this funny and cute animals is the Pacific coast. They are easy to find in places like Bahia Solano and surroundings. Watching a condor fly from close by is one of the most amazing experiences you can have. I have already seen a few of them, and every time I see one, I can't avoid to get goosebumps. The condor is a vulture bird, feeds from dead animals. It is the largest flying bird in the world and calls the Colombian mountains its home. Its wingspan ranges from 274 to 310 centimeters and weighs around 11 to 15 kilo. They may live for 50 years or more and mate for life. The world's oldest condor died at the age of 100 years. Wild condors inhabit huge territories, often traveling 250 kilometers a day in search of carrion. They prefer large carcasses such as cattle. You can spot condors in many places of the Americas, but in Colombia there is a place where you can watch them from close by and enjoy their flying over gorgeous mountains and valleys. This place is located in the vicinity of the Purus Natural Park in the southwest of the country, about 2.5 hours away from the city of Popayan. The golden poison frog, endemic to the Pacific coast of Colombia, is considered as the most poisonous animal in the world. In the wild, It is a social animal, living in groups of up to 6 individuals. However, captive ones can live in much larger groups. These frogs are sometimes seen as harmless due to their small size and bright colors, but these frogs are lethally toxic. The golden poison frog is the largest species of poison dart frog, as it can reach a size of 55 mm. The adults are brightly colored, but they lack the dark spots present in many other frog species. In the jungles surrounding Bahia Solano, you could spot one of these gorgeous frogs. It is recommended to go with a local guide on the jungle expeditions so you can find them easier. The local guides will also know how to approach the frogs and will make sure the expedition is safe. If the previous was the most difficult animal to spot, this is the easiest one. The Andean motmot is a gorgeous bird that can easily be seen in the areas around the coffee zone. They are large birds with a stout, black bill and a long tail with a racket tip. The body plumage is green, with a portion of the upper tail blue. The center of the crown is black, with a broad blue line bordering it. Motmots nest in tunnels in banks, laying about 3 or 4 white eggs. They live mainly in humid mountain forest, often near streams. These gorgeous birds often sit still, but due to its big size, they are easy to spot. Even though you can find them in many places of Colombia, the Tinamu Birding Reserve, near the city of Manizales, is the best place to see them. In this amazing reserve, you will also be able to spot many other astonishing bird species.